How to add Callable button on Google Sites. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Callable button on Google Sites. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, head over to your browser, and once you're in the browser, make sure that you're in the Google Sites here. Let's say you have created this website and you want to add call button to your website. In order to do that, you need to simply head to a page that says rahmanzeeb.com. From here, you need to go ahead and see the code. Now, as you are here in this website, you can see the code right over here. You need to simply go ahead and copy the code. And once the code is copied, you need to head over to your Google Sites. And from here, you need to click on embed option. From here, you need to go ahead and click on embed code. And then you need to go ahead and paste the code that we have copied from rahmanzeeb.com. Once it's done, you need to go ahead and change the number over here. You need to simply add your country number and country code just like that. And once you do that, you need to simply go ahead and click on next. Then you need to click on insert. Now, as you can see that the call button has been added to your Google Sites. And that's it. You now know how to add a clickable call button on your Google Sites. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.